Hello everyone, welcome again to GIS Pathshala. So friends, today we are going to start exercise number 7.1. In this question, it is given a quadrilateral here ACBD. In this, AC is equal to AD, means these two sides are same. Now AB bisect angle A. This AB is bisecting angle A, means these both angles are same. So we have to show that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. So ABC is congruent to ABD. That we have to here prove. Okay, so let me prove how to solve this sum. Here I draw the figure. So here it is given AC is equal to AD, means these both sides are same. Now CAB is equal to DAB, means CAB is equal to DAB, means these two angles are same. That is already given in the question. And AB is equal to AB. AB is common in this both triangle. If we consider triangle ACB and triangle ADB, so these sides are same, these angles are same, and this side is also common, so this side is also same. So according to side angle side congruency, we can say that these both triangles are congruent to each other. So by the SAS axiom, triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. So here we can say that BC is equal to BD. BC is equal to BD because both are corresponding sides. Okay. So here it is proved. Here our question number 1 is finished. Now let me move towards the question number 2. So in question number 2, the figure is given, and in this figure, ABCD is given, and here AD is equal to BC, means this side ADE and BC, these both sides are same. And now DAB is equal to CBA. DAB means this angle is equal to BAC. This angle. These two angles are same. Now we have to prove that ABD and BAC, both triangles are congruent. ABD and BAC. So ABD means this triangle, and BAC means this triangle. This triangle ABC and BAD, these both triangles are congruent to each other. That we have to prove. And again we have to prove BD is equal to AC. BD and AC both are same. That we have to prove. BD and AC means these both are same. That we have to prove. And now ABD is equal to BAC. ABD means this angle is equal to BAC. BAC this angle. Okay. Now let me start how to solve this question. So here I draw the figure. In this figure, AD is equal to BC, that is given. AD is equal to BC, and now DAB and CBA both are same. DAB means this angle, and CBA, these both angle are same. This one and this one. Okay. So in triangle ABD and BAC, triangle ABD means this triangle, and in triangle BAC means this triangle. In this both triangle AD is equal to BC. Okay. Yes. Now DAB is equal to CBA. That is given in the question. DAB is equal to CBA, and AB is common in both. This AB side is common in this triangle and this triangle also. So we can say that according to side angle side congruency, side angle side congruency, both are, so here ABD congruent to BAC according to side angle side congruency. Now if we take ABD and BAC congruent, so we can also that BD and AC both are equal according to corresponding parts of congruent triangle equal. Okay, we can say that corresponding parts of congruent triangle CPCT. Okay, so it is proved BD is equal to AC and triangle ABD is equal to BAC, corresponding angle, because ABD and BAC both are corresponding angle. ABD means this angle, and BAC, these both are corresponding angles. So we can say that these both are also same. Okay. So here question number 2 is over. In question number 3, the figure is given. Here these both angles are right angle, and it said that AD and BC are equal. AD and BC, these both are equal, and perpendicular to the line segment AB. This is perpendicular to line segment AB. Okay, means these both lines are perpendicular to line segment AB. So these both are same in length and perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular, so we can say that BC and AD both are parallel lines because both are making 90-degree angle over here. So these both angle are interior angle. Okay, so these are same. Okay, so let me see how to solve this question in the notebook. So here I already solved this question. Here AD is equal to BC. First of all, AD and BC that are same, that is given in the question. Okay, and now next one. CV bisect AB. So BOC and AOD opposite angles. BOC AOD means this and this both are opposite angles. So these both are same, right? BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. These angles are same. Now BCD and ODA. BCD means angle this and angle this. ODA both are same because both are alternate angles. Okay, so according to this, OBC perpendicular to OAD. So OBC is perpendicular to OAD because both are congruent according to angle side angle property. So see here, angle, both angles are same, these sides. Okay, angle side angle congruency. So we can say that OB is equal to OA by OB is equal to OA by corresponding sides equal. Therefore, O is a midpoint of AB. So CB bisect AB. This way we can solve this question. So in next question, question number 4, it is given that L and M two parallel lines. Here L and M two parallel lines and PQ are also two parallel lines and AC is the diagonal. So we have to say that, show that ABC and CDA both are congruent. ABC and ABC, this one, and CDA means we have to prove that these two are congruent to each other. So let me see how to show that. Here P is parallel to Q and AC is the transversal. If we take AC is a transversal and these two are parallel lines, so we can say that these both angles are same. So BAC and DCA, this angle and this angle, BAC, both are same. Why? They are interior angles. Okay, and also BCA and DAC, BCA, so this angle and DAC, this angle and this angle, both are same. Okay, because they also are interior angle. Now in triangle ABC and DCA, BAC, DCA, that is already we wrote over. CA is equal to AC. CA is equal to AC because if we consider these two triangles, so these two angles are same, these two corresponding angles are same, and this one side is also common in the both triangles. Okay, so angle side angle, that is proved. Angle side angle congruency is proved over here. So we can say that these both triangles are same. So question is finished over here. Now question number 5. In this figure, line L is the bisector of angle A. So this one is angle A and line L is the bisector, means these two angles are same now. And now BP and BQ are perpendicular from B. BP and BQ are perpendicular. Okay, so we have to prove that APB means this triangle is congruent to AQB. These two triangles are congruent, that we have to prove. Okay, and also we have to prove BP is equal to BQ. Okay, so let me solve how to solve this question. Very easy. First of all, it is given that L is a bisector. Okay, so first of all we can write that QAB and PAB means QAB, this angle and this angle are same because L is a bisector, so these both angles are same, right? Yes. Now angle Q is equal to angle P. Now these both angles are same because both are right angle. Okay, so in this both triangle, two angles are same. And now triangle ABQ and ABP, are same, right? Because these two angles are same, these two angles are same, so these two also are same according to angle sum property. Okay, so all the three angles are same. Now we can write like this: ABP is equal to ABQ, AB is equal to BA. Okay, so we know that AB and BA, this one is the common in the both triangle. So if we can consider these two angles are same, this side is same, and these two angles are same. So according to angle side angle property, these both triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, according to angle side angle congruency, this is the both triangle congruent to each other. So we can write BP is equal to BP according to corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Okay, so here our question number 5 is finished. Now question number 6. In question number 6, figure is given. In this figure, AC is equal to AE and AB is equal to AD. So we have to prove BAD is equal to EAC, and we have to show that BC is equal to DE. Here two triangles are there. Let me see how to solve this question from the notebook. Here question number 6. In this two triangles are there. So one triangle is ABC, means this triangle, and one triangle is ADE, means this triangle. So in this, AC is equal to AE, means these two are same, these two sides are same, and angle BAD is equal to EAC. Angle BAD, this angle is equal to EAC, this angle. Okay, these both angles are also same. Now we have to show that BC is equal to DE. So हमको prove करना है BC and DE both are same. So first of all we can say that BAD is equal to EAC. Okay, that is given in the question. Now here let me see here, friends. If we want this angle A completely, if we want angle BAC, अगर हमको BAC पूरा एंगल चाहिए, ये एंगल तो हमारे पास इतना ही है, तो इसमें हम इतना ऐड कर दे, तो इसमें DAC ऐड कर दे तो पूरा हो जाएगा. सो हमको DAC इसमें ऐड कर देना है. और if we consider this triangle, so in this also only half angle is given. If you want to consider the full, so in this also we have to add this DAC. So we are adding DAC both sides. If we add DAC both sides, so we got the full angle BAC. So in place of BAD plus DAC, means this plus this is equal to this full angle. So BAC, and here EAD plus CAD. So we got here DAE. Full angle we got here, this full angle. Okay, now from the question, here we proved that BAC is equal to DAE. So we can write angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. AB is equal to AD because they are given in the question, they given same, and also AC is equal to AE. So according to side angle side congruency, so triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADE, and we can say that BC is equal to DE according to CPCT, means corresponding parts of congruent angles are same. Okay, so here question 6 is finished. Now let me move towards the question number 7. In this question number 7, two triangles are there, triangle ADP and triangle PEB. Okay, these two triangles are given. These two angles are same, so we have to prove DAB and EBD both are congruent triangle, and also we have to show that AD is equal to BE. So let me solve how to solve this question. Now here, friends, AP is equal to BP, that is given. AP is equal to BP because it is given that P is the midpoint. Okay, so this side is same. EPA, this angle is equal to DPB, this angle. It is given in the question. Both angles are same. Now add EPD both side. EPD दोनों साइड ऐड कर दो, मीन्स EPD एंगल हम इसमें ऐड करेंगे, ये हमें तो ये मिल जाएगा हमें पूरा. तो ये हमें अगर हम ये ट्राइंगल कंसिडर करें, इफ़ वी कंसिडर ट्राइंगल DAP तो हमें पूरा एंगल मिल गया. और इफ़ वी कंसिडर ट्राइंगल EPB तो भी हमारे पास इतना ही है, तो इसमें ये एंगल ऐड कर दे तो ये हमें पूरा मिल जाएगा एंगल. यस, सो EPD हमको दोनों साइड ऐड कर देना है. ओके, तो हमने दोनों साइड EPD ऐड किया. सो नाउ वी गॉट APD हमें मिल गया, एंगल APD इज इक्वल टू BPE. ओके, ये हमें मिल गया. नाउ यहाँ पे हमको दिया है PAD, दिस एंगल इज सेम एज दिस, दैट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. PAD is equal to PBE. Okay, now AP is equal to BP, that is side same, and DPA is equal to EPA, that is we proved over here. So now according to angle side angle congruency, we proved that both triangles are congruent. So we can say that AD is equal to BE by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles same. So here question number 7 is finished. Question number 8, BC, triangle ABC and triangle BDC. These 4 we have to prove. So let me see, turn by turn we will solve each and every one. Okay. So friends, let me start. First of all, it is given that in the question M is a midpoint. So we can say that BM is equal to AM. BM and AM both are same. Now CM is equal to DM. CM is equal to DM. Angle AMC is equal to angle BMD. Angle AMC is equal to angle, since these both angles are same. Why? Vertically opposite angles, so we can say that according to side angle side congruency, these two triangles are same. That is proved. Yes. Now second things, what we have to prove? We have to prove that DBC is a right angle. Okay, this we have to prove. Now we got that these both are congruent, so MAC is equal to MBD. MAC this and this one MDB, these both are same according to congruency. Okay, now both are alternate interior angles. If we take the Z, so both are alternate. Now AC parallel to DB, we having AC is parallel to DB, so BCA plus DBC is equal to 180. BCA, where is BCA? BCA means this angle plus DBC, these both are, addition of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Yes, but here it is given that BCA is equal to 90 degree. That is already given. BCA is equal to 90 degree and DBC is also 90 degree. So therefore we get DBC is also 90 degree. Here we got that. Now third one, AMC is congruent to BMD. So AC is equal to BD, corresponding parts of corresponding triangle. Now BD is equal to CA, triangle. DBC is equal to angle ACB, so BC is equal to CB. Okay, simply that is the SAS, side angle side congruency. Now fourth one, we have to prove that CM is half of AB. So CM is the half of AB. So how can we prove that? DBC and ACB both are equal, so DC is equal to AB. Okay, so here it is given that DC is equal to AB. This DC and AB both are same, right? So DM is equal to CM. So DM is equal to CM, right? So CM is equal to half of DC. So we can say that CM is equal to half of DC. Yes, CM है वो DC का half है. So DC and AB सब same है तो half of AB, तो CM is equal to half of AB. It is proved. बहुत ही आसान है, सिंपल है फ्रेंड्स, ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So here we finished our exercise number 4.1. Sorry, not 4.1, but it's a 7.1. So complete this exercise in your notebook with a diagram, properly neat and clean diagram. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.